So how to record a voiceover on an iPhone, but with the pause feature. Let's explain that. So if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you start recording, a new audio file inside of the voice memos application, which is the built-in one, right? You can start recording like that. And usually you have the stop button like this. However, when you pull it up, like when you make it go full screen, you can see that we now not only have the stop button, but we have the pause button, right? So you can see you can pause it like this, then click on resume, and it just goes like that. The point is, again, when you go to this like lower view like this, you can see that the option to pause is simply not there, so it only works in the full screen. Or when you now lower it down, the pause button stays in the smaller window as well. But like, this is how it works inside of the iPhone's voice memo application. Outside of that, you should also know that when you are editing the voice memo, you can tap on the edit button and turn on the skip silence. Right, so this is a feature to remove or cut out the silent part of the voice memo, right? So you might be speaking, recording your voiceover, and if you leave like a blank space, for a few seconds, with this feature applied, the silence will be like removed, right? So it will perform the edit automatically. So that's how it works on the iPhone. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. If not, let me know in the comments below. Most definitely stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.